my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I am headed into at home to get some Christmas decorations for the Christmas tree and for the house if I have time. I am afraid that things will be picked over. I hope that they won't be. I'm going to use the move as an excuse. I don't know where any of my Christmas decorations are from last year. Not a one. I don't even know where I put them. I'm pretty sure that they're in the house somewhere. I just don't know where they are. So we're pretty much starting from scratch, and I think I know what I want for my color scheme. We'll see what they have in here. It may change. I wanted to do OOTD for you guys, but I forgot. I'll do it when I get back home. I have a nail appointment today also in a little bit, so I do have to hurry up. And then I'm gonna make those cinnamon rolls I told you guys about with the heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna do that tonight. But yeah, let's kick off this day 2 with some Christmas decor shopping. Tell me why that was such an overwhelming experience. When you holiday shop or holiday decor shop, you need a partner. You need a partner, because somebody like me, I'm very, 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 very indecisive. Like, I know what I want, then I don't know what I want, then I know what I want, then I don't know what I want. And that's how I was at home. Like, in my mind, I was like, okay, this is what I want to do for my tree. And then when I got in there, first, you know, it was a little picked over, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a little picked over. Didn't have a lot to choose from. But then I'm like, go with your gut and what you want to do. So I saw a tree in there that mimicked kind of like what I wanted to do, as far as like low key, because the Christmas tree is so pretty by itself, and that is just like almost the same tree that we have that I saw at home. And I'm like, okay, let me mimic this simplicity. I think I got it. What I'm gonna do is just start decorating it when I get home. Probably not now because I'm pressing for time, but just kind of see what I need to add, take away, but the style, like kind of how I want it to look, I think I'm gonna stick with that. So that's all my stuff back there. You guys, I had a buggy full of stuff, and then I was like, I get overwhelmed very fast. Very, very, very fast. So I said, I'm not doing this. I'm not getting overwhelmed over no holiday Christmas decor. I am not going to do it. So worst case scenario, I get home, and if I don't like it, I'll bring it back, switch it out. It is not that serious. I have to talk to myself like this, you guys. I have to talk to myself and say, it is not that serious. It is Christmas decorations. Relax. I will put it up at some point tonight while I bake my cinnamon rolls. So I'm headed to get my nails done right now, but I need to eat something. I haven't ate anything. I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I was telling my husband about these like egg bites they have. I've never had them, but I always hear people talking about them, and I always wanted to try them, and I never do. So I told him about them, and he tried them the other day, and he's addicted. My ponytail getting out of whack because I'm stressing out over these daggone Christmas decorations, y'all. But we'll see, you guys. We'll see how it looks when the tree goes up and what the family says. Oh Lord, we will see. Yes, can I get the egg white and roasted red pepper egg bites, please? I didn't get a coffee, guys, because I had one this morning at home. I still need to stop by the grocery store. I think I'll have time to do that after I get my nails done. You guys, I normally get red around Christmas, like my nails. I got red, not this time, in November, like a deep burgundy. It was so pretty. But I want to do something a little different today. I mean, it's not anything spectacular, but I don't know if I want to do red. I don't know if I'm feeling red right now. But I can't have you guys vote, because by the time I do it, you're already done.
A cup of water?
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, you have a nice day.
You too. Okay, guys. Let's try these egg bites. Let me tell y'all my pet peeve and what I hate. Go to Starbucks. It's not all the time, it's just sometimes. When people give you your cup and they put their thumb or their hand on the part where you drink from. Why does that make sense? Please help me understand why in God's name does that freaking make sense? That is so not sanitary. Like, why are you touching the part of the cup where I drink from? And he was so nice, you know, and I don't want to be mean and be like, I need another lid. And that's not being mean because I'm the customer. And if I ask for something, I should receive it, of course, in a nice way. I'm not one of those rude customers. But now I got to take the top off. See if I can show you that without them falling out. That's what they look like. It's actually pretty good, you guys. Nails are done. My hands are a little ashy. I did not do the brown sugar and butter topping. I know it's a TikTok thing, but I feel like it's gonna make the cinnamon rolls more soggy. Like I told you guys, I don't like the Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. I feel like they're just too soggy in the middle. So I feel like the brown sugar and the butter is gonna make it soggy. So let me show you guys what I picked up from at home for my Christmas tree decorations. Hold the line. Okay, so my base bulbs are going to be black, and I probably should have gotten 2 of these, but I only got 1. I'll probably go back tomorrow and get 2. Why didn't I get 2 of these? Got these like snowflake stars. I know that the tree already is flocked, but I thought these were really cute, so I got these. Corns. You guys following with where I'm going yet? No? Thought were really, really pretty. Simple, but pretty. And I only got 2 of them. I probably should have gotten like 4. But I'm telling you guys, I'm trying to keep it simple, but like in my mind, I see how I want it to be, but I have to do it and show you guys. But I got 2 of these. I got this one because I thought it was really cute. It's random. It has little sparkles in it. They only had 1. I thought these were really pretty. Then I got these fairies. I don't know why I'm so excited about these. Ever since I knew I was getting a flocked tree, I wanted to do berries like in the tree. I wanted to also do the flowers that you clip on, but they didn't have any at home, so I'm gonna go look for some tomorrow. But 3 come in a pack and they're $2.49 each. This bow, I've never done a bow on my tree. It's always been like a star, or a star. Like I have never even done an angel or anything like that, but I thought this was really, really cute. So hopefully it fills it out for me. Like in my mind, like can you guys see where I'm going with this? Hold on. Let's paint this visual. Oh Lord. I should probably go buy the tree so you can get what I'm, you know, in my mind, I'm going, right? You guys see where I'm going with this? No? Okay. Say hi to the vlog. I'm making your medicine too. Say hi.
You're not gonna put the. You're gonna put that part up.
I should probably put the bow up first. Hold on. Hold on, let me find the other.